At the heart of the X5 control system is a Siemens Simatic Drive Controller, which merges PLC and motion controls in a single integrated system. The Advanced Control System interface provides an intuitive operating environment and a Smart-Touch HMI. The HMI environment offers a comprehensive onboard help capability, which includes a vast array of multimedia help files to support key procedures for machine operation and maintenance. The proven PharmaControl press force control system monitors individual compression forces and provides closed-loop feedback to the dosing cam for precise tablet weight control. The X5 monitors and displays energy consumption to support sustainability initiatives at the site level. X3 mid-range production. XL400 high-speed production. X5 maximum output.